In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to qualify a call with Kartra. We're going to set up a simple, reliable tagging method so you can quickly see which contacts are ready for a call and why. This helps your team prioritize conversations and keeps your pipeline clean. Start by opening Kartra and heading into the app. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Contacts. This is your central hub for everything related to people in your database. Next, choose All Contacts so you're viewing your full list and the tools available for managing them. From here, move into the Tags area. Tags are lightweight labels that make it easy to group, filter, and trigger actions for the right people at the right time. Create a new tag by selecting the option to add a tag. Give your tag a clear, action-focused name that reflects call readiness, like qualified for discovery or needs follow-up. Keep names short but specific so anyone on your team immediately understands the meaning. Add a helpful description that spells out the exact criteria for applying this tag. Things like the lead source, score thresholds, or survey answers that signal readiness. A good description reduces guesswork and keeps your qualification rules consistent. Choose the appropriate category so your tag lives alongside similar tags, such as sales, qualification, or lead scoring. Categories make it easier to find and manage tags as your system grows. If call readiness is time sensitive, set an expiration date for the tag. This is useful when a lead is only considered qualified for a certain period. After it expires, the contact can naturally move back into nurturing without manual cleanup. When everything looks good, click Create to save your new tag. That's it. You now have a reusable, standardized marker you can apply to contacts to instantly see who's ready for a call. Use it to filter lists, guide outreach, and inform your scheduling process. Keeping names and descriptions consistent will help your whole team stay aligned and move qualified calls forward with confidence.